gentlemen, here they are, the Wera Jokers. Man, I never thought I'd have a set of these. We have got to thank Mr. Joe from Joe's All-Star Tools from the bottom of my frosty heart. Let's get into them. Just like anything else from Wera, these things are extremely well packaged. I mean, just look at the box. The box was fantastic. Nice, very heavy-duty canvas roll-up pouch. Right there in rubber, tells you what it is. Here's our set. Now, so the only one skipped is the 9, and now who the hell needs a 9, right? So let's take out our 14 millimeter. Excuse the welding burns, guys, and the cat scratches. A lot of those are just damn cat scratches, but look at that. Now it's thin, but it's strong. That is a beautiful wrench. Look at that. Lightweight. Feels good in your hand. Look at that. Your thumb rests right in the ID marker. Either direction. Either side. That's your metric set, and it is just beautiful. Yeah, they're color coded, so I guess once you get to using them, you'll get your color down and know just what to grab. I guess it'd be a little difficult to eyeball them with that 12-point opening, but who knows? Man, this is a stout roll. I don't know what else to say except I am extremely impressed with these. That will go nicely into a toolbox drawer. Oddly enough, the set came with an extra strip of Velcro, a little booklet, and always the neat little Wera Rebel sticker. That, again, is just gorgeous. Smooth. Now that plate allows you to set your fastener in there. That will hold it in place. Keep you from slipping down off of it. Fantastic looking wrenches from Wera. We have got to get these into action.